Hey guys, if you have a 2009 through 2019 Ford F150 or Raptor, I want to share something with you. Now you know the antenna that comes with your F150, the simple metal antenna? It's kind of boring, kind of plain, and actually it's kind of a pain in the neck because a lot of times the top of that antenna will hit the roof of your garage. I've seen a lot of bent antennas from garages, so I want to share something with you from Rydonair. It's their 13-inch rubber antenna. Let's open it up and check it out. Okay, here it is, the Rydonair 13-inch antenna. It's got flexible material and allows shape memory, so when the antenna is bent, it will spring back into shape, which is great. It has premium rubber outer construction for weather resistance and durability. On your truck, it's got a nice low-profile 13-inch stylish look, gonna really improve the look of your F150. What's also cool, at the bottom has real carbon fiber, which really just looks fabulous on your truck. Easy installation. Here you can see me unscrewing the old antenna on the F150. And now you can see me putting on the new Rydonair 13-inch antenna literally in a minute. On there, looking great. It is shorter, but it does have excellent reception. With the old metal antenna, I wasn't getting that great reception even for local radio stations. Now with the Rydonair 13-inch, I'm getting stations in other towns I wasn't even picking up before. So you're gonna get a lot better reception with the Rydonair 13-inch replacement antenna. This antenna is one of the best-selling replacement antennas on the market. It's just incredible. Get yourself one. Make your F-150 look great. It's going to really improve the look of your truck. Get this, you'll be glad you did.